toothpaste.
I am the cup.
I am the best for toothbrushing. You need a toothbrush to brush your teeth. Right, Dora?
Of course. You need a toothbrush to brush your teeth. That's not right. I am the best. How can you brush your teeth clean without the toothpaste? Right, Dora? Of course. You need the toothpaste to brush your teeth clean.
Oh no! I am the best. You need me when you brush your teeth.
What?
You need a cup to brush the teeth? Is that true, Dora?
Of course. Watch.
Oh, I like that!
Right. You need a cup when you rinse your mouth.
See? I am the best.
No, I am the best. Me, the toothpaste.
That's not right. I am. No, I am the best.
Guys, don't fight. When you go ch-ch and brush your teeth, toothbrush, toothpaste, and cup. All of you guys are the best.
Really?
Sure. Thank you for always helping me brush my teeth.
You're welcome!
Let's not fight anymore.
Yeah, let's work together.
And help people brush their teeth.
Let's be good friends from now on.
Yay!
Yum! It's delicious! Wow! I'm so full! Ugh. I'm sleepy after eating. Shall I take a nap?
Swiper, are you going to just sleep? You have to brush your teeth after eating.
Oh, man! Toothbrushing is not fun!
No, toothbrushing is super fun. Follow us. Fun toothbrushing time. What do we need? Toothbrush.
Toothpaste!
Cup. Toothpaste. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Toothbrush. Cha-cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. Let's brush our teeth. When we're done eating, don't forget. Before we go to bed, don't forget. Cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. Let's brush our teeth. cup. Rinse the mouth. Squeaky clean, squeaky clean. My teeth are clean.
Wow! Toothbrushing is so fun!
We finished brushing our teeth.
Oh. Oh.
Hey, alligator! What's wrong?
I have a toothache.
That's because you don't brush your teeth well. If you brush your teeth, you'll be fine. We'll help you. What do we use to brush his teeth? Backpack, backpack. Oh, let's check my backpack. You have to say, backpack. Backpack, 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 backpack. Yeah! We have to brush the alligator's teeth. What do we need? Please find them quick. Please find them quick.
I'll choose.
Up! Please find them quick. Toothbrush. Please find them quick. Toothpaste. Great job. Toothpaste, toothbrush, and cup. Let's brush the alligator's teeth with these. Will you help us? Will you squeeze the toothpaste? Squeeze the toothpaste. Will you brush the teeth with a toothbrush? Now, rinse the mouth with the water in the cup. Will you rinse the mouth? We brush the teeth clean.
My teeth don't hurt anymore. Thanks for helping.
We did it! We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay! Woo! Hooray! We did it! See you again! Bye-bye! Hi, I'm Dora. And I'm Boots. Let's have fun today.
It's going to be fun.
Dora, it's time to go to sleep. Let's change into pajamas before going to bed.
Yes, Mommy. Will you help me change into pajamas? Please help me wear the pajamas. Pajamas. Wow, they're comfortable. Thanks for helping.
Dora, let's lie down on the bed now. Will you help Dora lie down on the bed? Please touch the bed.
Bed. Wow, it's so soft. Mommy, I'm a little cold.
If you put on the blanket, you will be warm. Let's put the blanket on Dora. Please touch the blanket.
Blanket. It's warm.
Good night, Dora. I love you. Sweet dreams.
I'm sleepy, but it's scary to sleep alone.
Do you want me to sing you a lullaby?
Oh, who is it?
Look out the window.
Oh, it's the moon. Yes, Moon. Please sing me a lullaby.
All right, I'll sing you a lullaby. Dark night in the pond. Who is sleeping? The fish is sleeping soundly. Dark night in the tree hole. Hey! Who's sleeping? The squirrel is sleeping soundly. Dark night on the tree. Who's sleeping? The birds are sleeping soundly. Dark night on the bed. Who's sleeping? Boots is sleeping soundly. Good night, everyone.
Dora, it's a dark night. Yeah, the moon and the stars are out too.
I'm sleepy. Let's go to sleep now.
All right, Benny. We are all sleeping together tonight. Will you help us to fall asleep? Thank you. Let's put on our pajamas first. Will you help us wear the pajamas?
Wow! I'm wearing comfortable pajamas.
Thank you. Good. But, Dora, where are we going to sleep? Do you see a place we can sleep?
A soft bed. Let's sleep on the bed.
All right. And on the bed. But there's no blanket. Will you put the blanket on us so we can be warm?
Thank you.
Ah, it's warm. Soft and fluffy blanket.
But I think we forgot something.
What is it, Benny?
A goodnight kiss.
Ah, that. Will you give us a good night kiss? Please give Boots a kiss. Good night, Boots. I love you. Good night. Please give Benny a kiss. Good night, Benny. I love you. Good night. Benny and Boots fell asleep. Will you say good night to me? Good night. We